Hello everyone. Our tarot card for the day is the Ten of Swords. The card talks of betrayal, backstabbing, fear, anxiety, and a sense of being disabled. It means that somehow some mistakes from the past will haunt you and you might feel vulnerable because of that. It indicates abrupt ending of relationship or contracts. Unexpected things may happen. There might be a feeling that everything near you is shattered, nothing is working out. So you need to be beware of people around you who are trying to deceive you or cheat you. Also, there may be too much of burden which is bothering you. There might be a sense of being disabled, unable to do something, being bogged down by health or emotional issues. So you need to take time off now and relax yourself for maintaining good health. Health issues from the neck to lower back area or abdomen may bother you, and they may also keep you away from work. There are possibilities that you may have to work more than you normally do in order to achieve what you want. The guidance from the card is that you need to be beware of backbiters or people who are trying to cheat you. Do some meditation so that you can overcome stress. If you're suffering from any spinal, neck, or back related problems, then you need to consult a physiotherapist. The card also guides that everything is not as dark or bad as it seems right now. Since 10 is a number of completion, it means that beginning of something new is very near. The message from the unicorns is that you need to look for good in your current situation. No matter how dull or bad the current situation may seem, it still has something good for you. So look towards the positivity or the positive side in a negative situation. If something has ended, it has made way for something new to start. The message from the flowers comes from the crab apple. It says that there is a new idea that you can work upon. Your new idea is divinely guided and is meant to be shared with others. Continue to work on it as you are on the right path. Whatever idea or thought you are working on, continue working on it as it is surely going to lead you to success. If it is a project that you're working on or something new that you have started, then you need to take ownership of it and set a date of completion so that you don't get wavered. It may also be an indication that an unknown site or quality you didn't know that you have is trying to come up. So have a good day. See you tomorrow again. Thank you so much.